Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to test your touchscreen on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, go to the settings. Now, scroll down until you find controllers and accessories, then you'll find test input devices. Click on test touchscreen, and now touch with your finger wherever you want to test if the touchscreen works in all the places you move it to. You can see everything here, and if there is any place where the touchscreen doesn't get recognized, then you'll basically know where it's not working properly. And if you want to exit, just click on B on your Joy-Con and it'll automatically exit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.